Hello everyone. Now class 11th, I hope you have seen the first part of this video in which I have shown you the practical setup for finding the focal length of the convex lens by displacement method. Now in this part I am going to show you how the calculation are made, कैसे calculation कैसे करनी है, that all those things I am showing you here. Now see here, I already made few diagrams for you so that you can understand it properly. So now in my first diagram, what we have done, this is the object pin as it's mentioned earlier in the first video. This is the image pin as it is mentioned in the practical setup in the previous video which we have seen. And what we are doing, first of all, we are bringing this lens, this convex lens toward the image pin. We are bringing it towards the image pin. This is our image pin. We are bringing this convex lens toward the image pin, and after removing the parallax means the inverted image of this object pin is seen here. Okay, inverted image of this pin is seen here, and they will be lie tip to tip. If you move your head or if you move your eyes, they will move like this. They will move like this. So this position is called no parallax position. Okay, so we have removed the parallax in the first case. This distance should be constant maintained throughout the experiment. That means we have to take this distance 4f plus 10. F means the focal length, and rough focal length we have already calculated, and the rough focal length is 10 centimeters. So this distance is 50. Okay, this distance is 50, which we have to maintain constant throughout the experiment. Now after this, what we are doing, now we are, by keeping this distance same, no need of changing this distance, we are moving the lens toward the object pin. Now this time we are moving the lens toward the object pin. When we move it toward the object pin, then again we get a position where there is no parallax. That means the tip to tip of the object pin and image pin will coincide with each other. When you move your head or when you move your eyes, they will move together. So again we have getted the no parallax position. So this position is called B. This is called B position. The distance should be 4f plus 10. Now in the third f, we need to find out the value of small d. This is not capital D, this is small d. So we need to find out the value of small d. अब क्या करना है बेटे? We have to find out the value of small d. Now just let me shift the screen. So here what we have to do, we have to find out the value of this d, and the value of this d is the difference between the two positions. That means position A, this is your position A, and this is your position B. So that means we need to find out the value of this AB. For finding this value, you are having different method. Even you can use your scale to measure the distance between two positions, or if you are not measuring the distance, then what we have to do, simply take the distance this much and subtract this distance, or from this side you can measure this distance and then you can subtract this distance. So in both the condition you will get the value of small d. Now coming to the calculation part, I have made the table, observation table, as you see the observation table. So in this observation table, what we have done, so in the observation table you are having, let me show you. So you are having, here we are having a serial number, then we are having position A, then we are having position of I, that is the image pin, then we are having position B, then we have calculated the value of small d, and then we are finding the capital D. Now what is capital D? Capital D is nothing but it is the total distance. ये क्या है बेटा? ये this is the total distance of, this is the total distance. ये total distance है between O and I. So it should be whatever it is. So you have to take that distance, उसी distance को लेना है, whatever it is. If it is 50, so then you have to take it 50, and if it is suppose 66 है या whatever it is, I have written here 66. I have written here 66, so that means it is a distance between the object pin and the needle pin. Whatever is the distance, you have to take that distance. So in this way, my first reading is completed. For taking the second reading, what we have to do, for finding the second reading, what we have to do, we have to change the position of my convex lens. मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to change my position. अपनी position को मुझे change करना है. Means के this time, in the first reading, suppose you have taken it 50. For finding the second reading, you can take it as plus 5 और इसमें add कर दो. That means you can take 55. For taking the third reading, you can take it 66. Okay, so in this way, at least 4 or 5 reading you have to take. At least 4 or 5 reading you have to take. So after taking all these readings लेने के बाद, we have to do the calculation. So let me show you the calculation part. So calculation कैसे करनी है? Table should be here. I am rubbing this. Okay, I am rubbing this. इसको मैं rub करता हूँ. I want to find out the focal length. Focal length find out करनी है. So for finding the focal length, the formula is given to you. और हर बार क्या करेगा वो? It will gives you the different formula. Okay, जरूरी नहीं है कि जो फॉर्मूला मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ वही फॉर्मूला वो देगा. The formula will be different. फॉर्मूला कुछ भी वो बना के दे सकता है. But this time we are taking f equals to how much? Capital D का square minus small d का square upon 4d. So all the values we are having. If I see the table, the value of capital D, suppose it is 50, so you can write it here, 50 ka square minus small d. Suppose the value of small d, let it be 7.4 only. Okay, let us take it 7.4. So if it is 7.4 का भी square करना है and upon 4d means 4 into d means 7.4. So let us do the calculation. So we can use the formula here, 50 minus 7.4 and 50 plus 7.4 whole upon 7. 4 4 is 16, 16 is 6, 1 carry, 4 7 is 28, 28 plus 1 29.1. So we are getting this. 4 4 is 16, 16 is 6, 1 carry, 28 plus 1 29, and then we have to add this. So it will be 50 plus 7.4. It gives me 57.4. We have to subtract this. So 50 minus 7.4. So on subtracting 50 minus 7.4, 0 is here, 6 point. On subtracting this, you will get 9 out of 7 out of 9. It will be 2, and here it is 4. So it will be 42.6. You can check the calculation. Maybe I am wrong somewhere, so you can check the calculation by yourself. तो इसमें से माइनस किया, 10 में से माइनस किया 4 को, we are getting 6 here. 9 में से 7 माइनस किया, we are getting 2, and 4 means 5 means 4 is left, so 42.6. Here we have to add them together. इन दोनों को add करना है. So on adding this, you are getting 57.4 divided by 29.6. So on calculation जब आप इसको calculate करोगे तो your reading will be, your value will be, it is nearly equals to 10 point something, or it is nearly equals to your rough focal length. If your rough focal length, आपने जब rough focal length को measure किया, suppose it is coming, say it is coming near about 15. अगर वो 15 centimeter आई है, if it is 15 centimeter is the rough focal length. This is what your rough focal length. Rough focal length, suppose it is 15. So 15 है तो तुम्हारा एक्चुअल जो वैल्यू आएगी, जो प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यू आएंगी, सो प्रैक्टिकल वैल्यू ऑफ एफ शुड बी between 14.5 to 15.5. So it should be between this. If your answer is not in between this, so it means you have done some mistake. Okay, you have done some mistake. So that means again you have to take all the readings. सारी readings दोबारा फिर लेनी पड़ेंगी इसको. Okay, so in this way you can carry on the practical. I think now you will understand properly. Now you are able to perform it in the lab also. Lab में भी कर लोगे. Now soon after uploading the video, I am sending you the practical also. You have to copy that practical in your lab manual. So thank you very much.